Hey, in front of me is Poco C40 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to access settings. Now scroll down and click on passwords and security. Then you need to select screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern. Now wait 5 seconds and click got it in this pop-up. After that, enter your login method and repeat it. Then just confirm at the bottom right corner. Now, if you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that by selecting add and following all of the instructions. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel, click on home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!